Press release from Aloy Ejimako, the special counsel of Nnamdi Kanu, on the 17th of January 2024. He said this press release is now about the Supreme Court failure to release CTC, will be the certified true copy of the judgment in Nnamdi Kanu's case. Say this thing will be said, no one released the certified true color, say it violates the constitution of the Republic of the Zujiria. He said today makes it 33 days after the Supreme Court delivered the final judgment in the case of the Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Nnamdi Kanu. He said following the delivery of the said judgment on the 15th December 2023, say applications were filed for the release of the certified true copy of the judgment and the enrolled order. But to this day, we'll be saying that 33 days from now, say the Supreme Court never comply to these directives. Now, they say the Section 36, subsection 7 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria say it provides that when any person is tried for any criminal offense, the court or tribunal shall keep a record of the proceedings, and the accused person or any persons authorized by him in the behalf shall be entitled to obtain copies of the judgment in the case within 7 days of the conclusion of the case. It is fundamental right and thus enforceable. In go ahead, come in the talk, say it will be recalled, say the Supreme Court, say then do their judgment, come order, say the case, say may them remit them back to the Federal High Court for consideration of trial. So in concert, to be sure, the Federal High Courts cannot proceed with consideration. So this one I say in the talk, say the Federal High Court no will proceed with anything until they receive the certified true copy of the judgment of the Supreme Court. Say up till now, say the Supreme Court never sent the certified true copy of their judgment to the High Court, Federal High Court. This one, Naimbi say, was signed by Aloy Ejimako Esquire, will be the special counsel to Nnamdi Kanu. What in this thing mean? What in all these ones mean? My people, this one means say these people want hold Nnamdi Kanu where in they want Bogidian for there. They want make sure say nothing where in fit do. They tell everybody where be Biafran say there's nothing you people can do. They tell us say this man say they don't hold him and say nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. My people, una don't hear this kind of story. Una don't hear this kind of story. Those people where they believe say na court na ain't go release Nnamdi Kanu. Make them come out come talk now. Those people where they for DOS, where they claim say na then they pay lawyers, make them come out come talk now. Una don't also hear say Nnamdi Kanu don't sack in lawyers. If you think say na lie, go check Ejiofor page. Ejiofor no they talk anything about Nnamdi Kanu case again. Ejiofor don't keep quiet completely. Since that final judgment, Ejiofor never post anything about Nnamdi Kanu again. Ejiofor go write something now. You no go see Ezigbote Umuchineke for that write-up again. Since January, I think say only 2 times Ejiofor don't post. One na birthday celebration of Ejai Mba. The second one na waiting in post. He know they put Ezigbote Umuchineke. Our leader is in high spirit. I visited our leader. He know they do him again. That is to show you say Nnamdi Kanu true don't sack or him in legal team. Now another thing we wanna go understand say for this thing, because you cannot just look at it on the peripheral, because these people they don't so much deceive so many people. They don't so much, hide information. They don't do so many atrocities where if you believe say these people will do. Now, one thing where my mind they tell me now this. My mind can't tell me say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't sack the US. Why? My mind they tell me that. As in take sack the lawyers, it can't give serious warning to the medical team. I know say something go to the US, but they don't want to talk am. They don't want to do anything. They don't want to talk waiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't communicate to them. It be like say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't sack them. And I make all of them come out now. Come begin the post account. Make people go pay money to support ESN. Then they post account for waiting. They want get the little thing where they feel get now before they go japa. Before they go move. So anybody will be say you they go support them now, or you they go give them money, or you they go post anything for them. Now you sabi you they put your money for something where you don't even they see the result. If you ask them since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu then kidnapper, waiting be the thing where they do, what is the result where you feel see self? Forget about asking them. Waiting be the thing where you feel see where they don't do. If no be say they buy all Nnamdi Kanu top commanders. They buy them. Waiting again. Then give people suspension. They sack people. Waiting again where you hear say they don't achieve. Biafra TV will be say na the same YouTube and everything where me and you they do na the same thing. Waiting again where they don't do. Nothing. Then just they chop money. They just they chop the money where people don't contribute for IPOB. If you ask them what they do, they will tell you say now you they pay lawyers. Now you they pay lawyers as waiting. You know say this country no obey rule of law. Now lawless country. How you want take believe say these people will spend this whole money to go, capture Nnamdi Kanu for Kenya? How you believe say they will just allow and make it go through law? They possible. Now it make people with the reason with their head, with Akonuche, go understand say this thing where these people they talk now just lies. They not they ready. They don't even know what thing they go do to bring Biafra. So they go just waiting they go they do now to they lie. Every day they will continue to lie. It is pathetic. It is painful, my people. But this is the reality of things. This is the reality of things. These people are not ready. They are not ready. For another news, make we continue to give una betterlicious information as you take the drop as it regards to the Biafra liberation. We go to give una betterlicious. We go to summon una betterlicious and obenge information, so obenge news. The Prime Minister will be of Biafra Republic government in Ezra. He don't come out. He don't yarn for in church media again. Say the Biafra self-referendum. Earlier, an advance voting starts in February 2024. Say voting will start for February 2024. Saying this one in addition to data collection. Say there will be state-by-state voting, which will kick off by February 2024. Now waiting the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile. Now waiting the yarn for in church media for X. In Congo for that can talk say before next week, say the Biafra resistance fighters say they will put more pipelines for fire. Say they go deliciously and porously summer ministration, holy water. Say they go pour holy water on so many pipelines before the end of next week. Say before next week, say they go down summer betterlicious prayer sections for so many pipelines for Biafra territory. Say this one. Say the reason why makes they do this one, I say they want continue to delegitimize the Islamic State of Nigeria. Say they want cause economic strangulation. Say now this one where you people they call economic strangulation. Say they want to use their hand press the neck of so many politicians. We be say they enjoy betterlicious things from the wealth of Biafrans, from the raw materials and the minerals of Biafrans. We don't also drop information for una talk say there will be what we call fundraising on Saturday. So may everybody begin to prepare themselves, come prepare to donate as little as you can to the Biafra government. Thank you, my Biafra people. Na the news wey dey this period say we go give una na the information wey dey now. As it take the drop, we go dey sama una with informations where they available. Thank you, my wonderful and betterlicious people of Biafra. Now una get this hand where they up. Now una get time. Now una get time. Biafra first.